Hello everyone and welcome back to a Dollar Tree haul. Today I have household items to share with you, also a bunch of random stuff, plastic forks, spoons, and knives, paper plates, 40 count, Good Sense handle bags, and I would have bought the Dollar Tree brand of this, but I got 25 sheets of the Reynolds wrap. They did not have the Dollar Tree brand today. Foil sheets. I picked up, there's two of these in here, and they're just the oblong cake pans, I believe is what they're called. I picked up 2 packages of those. Scotty tissues, the 148 count, 3 bath tissues, and 140 counts paper towels. A couple dog treats. We got the canine carryouts, the taco minis, and the Alpo T-Bones chicken flavor. Food items, some Kool-Aid Burst and Berry Blue, just squeezy juices, and a brisk iced tea in the strawberry melon. My favorite is the watermelon one of these, but it's so hard to find, so I picked up this one. These really fun Oreos for Connor to try out. There's only 4 in here, but they have layered cream frosting in the middle. So I thought that was kind of neat. And then these Munch Rights cheddar and cream puffs. The kids love these. And these potato sticks original. More household items. I picked up this mesh laundry bag. And there's 3 in here. So I like these for washing my cotton, reusable cotton rounds and makeup eraser towel kind of things. And for scrapes and cuts, the triple antibiotic ointment, which is a name brand. And I also picked up this SERVIETTE Complete. I tried this a month or so ago and I really liked it. Today they had a different scent, so I picked this up. It only does 12 loads, but still I really liked it. Eye drops, aspirin. I picked 2 of these AA batteries up, so I'm not entirely sure where the other one went, but I'm sure it's around somewhere. Nerf Band-Aids. You get 14 Nerf Band-Aids. Kind of like those. Related Band-Aids anyways. And these are the antibacterial wet wipes. You get 30, but they're in travel packs, and I really like that. And he also, Connor picked out a new soft bristled Hot Wheels toothbrush with a cap on there. It's like 3D. And some Crest Kids toothpaste. And I also found this little spray bottle. They had this in the laundry section, but I'm going to use this for hair. Mine and Connor's hair. It's just a small water bottle. At the register, they had some really fun and cute disposable face mask. And there's 10 in here. And look how adorable this like tie-dye print is. And these are nice quality. And Connor wanted to get these for his mama. So they say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So we picked these up for you, Mom. I know you're watching. And the dish towel and the pot holders. Connor saw these and he wanted to get these for mama. And these were new today. It's a 3-pack of plastic storage bins, just small rectangular ones. And I just liked this like kind of lattice lasered out side to them. And I also got a white laundry basket. A couple of fun finds in the stationery section. We've got the Dr. Seuss erasers. Connor loves Dr. Seuss and he really thought these were cute and they were for school, he says. And we got the Jot brand index cards, 60 count, and he had a lot of flash words and stuff, and we use a lot of flashcards, so I thought this was kind of neat to have them all in a spiral notebook like that. And I got green, they had blue and red. Okay y'all, this is a special bag. This has Aiden's birthday gift in it, and Connor picked all this stuff out by himself, and he picked this reusable shopping bag out for him. It's got the droids on it and Escape from Tatooine, and this is from Star Wars. He loves Star Wars. And there is a couple other things in here from the Dollar Tree, and we also got him a gift from Walmart too. So inside the bag, keep in mind a 7-year-old picked this out for going to be 10-year-old. but he wanted to get him some candy. He got the Airheads mini bars for him. These necklace glow sticks, they're in blue, Aiden's favorite color. There's 4 of those in there. These little guns, the Shock Arms pack from 4 action figures and stuff. I don't know, it's Final Faction. And let's see, is this Greenbrier? Yeah, Greenbrier. And he also picked him up this light up top. And also in the baggie, this is from Walmart, not Dollar Tree, but this is Bakugo from My Hero Academia, which Aiden is currently obsessed with. So this is the gift that Connor picked out for Aiden. So these are more Connor finds, but more catered towards like the 4th and like nighttime, you know, fun. But this 8-pack of bracelets, they're assorted in colors. I also found this red, white, and blue necklace set. There's 4 in here. And he wanted these poppers. And he loves these TNT poppets. So, got 4 boxes of those. He just loves little things like this. And then, also found 2 of these magic towels. They both have dinosaurs on them. And then, I thought this was kind of neat because he's had one of these in the past, and it's an LED projector light. Except this time, it has a dinosaur, the volcano. And I thought that was kind of neat. And for our pool, we picked up a 3-pack of water guns. This is their kids, Connor, Aiden, and Allie. And 3 pairs of goggles. We also got 3 floats at Walmart as well. Aiden, Allison, and Connor. And we got this pack of water balls. And I cannot leave the Dollar Tree without looking at books now. So I got 2 more books. I got Read Me, a novel. So you can pause this here. Sounds interesting. And then I also got Broken Ice. This is a crime novel. And Broken Ice, once again. Interesting. Both hardbacks for $1. You can't beat that. I found 2 new candles today. Peach, Skin, and Mint. It smells so good. And also got French Toast Muffin. So, 2 new mason jar candles. A new LA Colors nail polish. This isn't even showing up true to color on camera. This is so vivid and bright, but it's in Kiss Me, and it is just gorgeous. Also, do you like my nails? It's kind of like a hidden American flag, but in the sun it's super holographic and shiny. I was gonna film it, but I had a lot of trouble with getting it to stamp right, so I did not film it. I found some new Wet n Wild. They had tons of Wet n Wild, Revlon, Maybelline, Hard Candy, a ton of stuff, but I'm just not interested in picking up a lot of that stuff anymore. So I was interested in this mascara though. I wish it was black, but it's the Renegade mascara in Avenging Amethyst. So it's a purple mascara. We shall see. And I got the Clear Brow mascara, which I was actually needing one anyways. So picked that up. I was most excited for all the mask and stuff I found from April, or Spa April Bath and Shower. So the first one I found was an under eye mask and a lip mask. I only picked up one of these. I picked up one of the same April Bath and Shower of the Cucumber Exfoliating Scrub, step 1, and step 2, Pink Grapefruit Clay Mask. So I picked up one of those. I love trying out masks. And then I picked up 2 of the April Bath and Showers foot mask. And then last but not least, I did pick up 2 of these hand and nail gloves. Anyways, I'm really excited to try these, but I still am really excited to try all these like masks and stuff I found today. And what little Wet n Wild I did find. I'm probably definitely going to paint my nails this shade tonight. And candles and books were all my most favorite finds of the day. Don't you love the Dollar Tree? I hope this made you want to go and shop. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as the cards. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos.